behind the stage. You know what? Wani Kapoor can listen to your voice. Fawad Khan can listen to your voice. Alright guys, you know what? There are a few lucky people over here who listen to City 1016 and they are actually getting a chance to meet the star cast of Abir Gulal. Personally, they'll get a chance to meet Wani Kapoor, they'll get a chance to meet Fawad Khan, they'll get a chance to meet Amit Trivedi. Are you guys ready to enjoy some music of Abir Gulal? Should we begin the party? Sir, शुरू करें? करें? इधर क्या कहते हो? शुरू करें? शुरू करें? करें शुरू? म्यूजिक से शुरू करें? अमित त्रिवेदी के फैंस हैं क्या?
Like we all know, this is the official launch of Abir Gulal, so we need to hear the magic. Now, like I said, magic. जब अमित त्रिवेदी की बात आती है, what's that word for the music? It's just magic. Ladies and gentlemen, let's set the tone for tonight with some incredible music, setting the mood for everybody to get to know the essence of Abir Gulal when they bring back love again. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Amit Trivedi!
Make some noise! Welcome to Global Village. Welcome to Dubai. Welcome to UAE. Can we please have you here? How are you feeling today?
Lovely. I feel amazing. I feel great, and this is beautiful. I love Global Village. I love coming to Dubai every time, and I just love everything about Dubai.
You know, you're the epitome of love music. We've always heard you giving the best tracks to the couple, the best tracks to the movie, the soundtrack that you always come up with. What's special about Abir Gulal? What's there for different nationalities who are sitting here? What are they about to experience tonight, Amit?
Well, this is a rom-com, so it's this. This film is all about love, and the songs also reflect that. The music of entire film, we have a total of 6 songs, and all the 6 songs are talking about love and fun. And we had a great time. Actually, I personally believe to create something, you need to be in that particular space. You need to have a lot of fun in life, and you need to have a lot of love in your heart. That's when things come to you. The Amad happens. And that's exactly what had happened with Abir Gulal's music. We were in Goa. I did not do it in Mumbai. Yeah, because Mumbai is a place where I love to work but not create. Because it's a lot of hustle bustle there and it's not very easy. So I went, we and my entire team, we all went to Goa. And we had a lot of fun. So this is the outcome of the fun that we had. This entire music.
There you go. Make some noise for Amit Trivedi, ladies and gentlemen.
So रोमांटिक मूवी बहुत दिनों के बाद आ रही है. थैंक गॉड की एक ऐसी फिल्म आ रही है जिसमें हमें मार धाड़ एक्शन कम देखने को मिलेगा, नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें होंगी, हंसी खुशी की बातें होंगी, कॉमेडी की बात होगी. और जैसा अमित ने खुद कहा कि फिल्म जैसी होती है वैसा ही मूड बन जाता है. तो रोमांटिक मूड में है आज आप?
बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल है. तो इस इवनिंग को शुरू करें आपके साथ.
जी बिल्कुल शुरू करते हैं. ये एक गाना है जो थोड़ा रोमांस में नोक झोंक वाला है.
ओके.
और इसका जो कुमार पाजी यहाँ पर है, जो लिरिक राइटर है, वो हमारे साथ ही इधर ही है. तो उन्होंने एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी लाइन लिखी है कि मेरी वाली टैं टैं करती है, 24 घंटे चैं चैं करती है, खुद लड़ती है और कहती है मेरी गलती है.
बस अमित त्रिवेदी ही टैटे को बढ़िया म्यूजिक बना सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. लेट्स हियर इट फॉर द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग. आर वी रेडी?
And I would love to have Dimple Saikia with me on stage. So please make some noise for
Make some
Dimple.
noise for Dimple, guys. Come on.
It's Dimple Saikia. And it's a debut, the first song.
Everyone. It's my
Come
first
on.
time in Dubai.
First time in Dubai. प्यार दिखाओ
First time in
guys. Come
Dubai.
on.
Give all your love for Dimple, please. Once again, allow the cheer for Dimple, ladies and gentlemen.
I think it's time हम लोग निकलते हैं यार. लोगों को गाना सुनना है. Guys, make some noise for Amit Trivedi and Dimple. Thank you so much, thank you so much. और अगर ऐसे टाइट करेगी तो सबको प्यार हो जाएगा.
So what's next for us? Do we have a next song that's going to be performed here? Where we're going to talk about all of it. It's the love, it's the heartbreak, it's the longingness about Abir Gulal. What's next?
Next one is called Angrezi Rang Rasiya.
All right.
And it's got the brief that Aarti was a director who's sitting right here. The film director. Make some noise for Aarti. And of course, I'm a filmmaker's composer. I compose for cinema, I compose for films. So everything that I create comes from the script and the cinema itself. The characters, the situations. It comes from there only. The situation was set in Rajasthan. So this song has a little bit of Rajasthani folk touch to it, yet it's a little contemporary, yet it's a little pop. And I have 3 singers performing this. It's one is myself. There is one Rajasthani folk singer, folk artist called Chotu Khan Sahab, and again a debutant, Akanksha Sethi. So I would like to call her as well.
She's here?
She's here.
All right, make some noise for Akanksha. Can we please have her on the stage? Come on, Dubai, show some love.
Akanksha.
That's fantastic, Akansha. How excited are you to be in Dubai again for the very first time? Tell them.
Very, very, very excited. It's my first time and so happy to see such a beautiful crowd. Thank you for being here.
You know what? I don't know if you guys know this. The video of this song was just dropped yesterday on YouTube. So now, before you watch the video, watch them perform the song live in front of Global Village. Are you guys ready?
Now again, let me also tell you, while you're watching this song, there is a surprise for you. Are you ready for that surprise?
Guys, who are we waiting for? Are we waiting for Vani Kapoor? Are we waiting for Fawad Khan? Wait a minute. Listen to this song. Watch them perform live because there is a surprise waiting for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Angrezi Rang Rasiya up next for you on stage. Whoa! We promised you a surprise and you got one. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands up for Vani Kapoor! The sass, the class, the khubsurati ka blast you are today. Vani Kapoor, you are absolutely beautiful on stage. But let's talk to you a little more and tell you about Abir Gulal. There's your mic. Thank you, Amit Trivedi.
Wow, this feels like a blessing. You guys, thank you for making tonight. I'm so happy to see all of you here, giving us so much love and warmth. Thank you for being here again.
Can we increase the volume of the mic, please? I also want to ask you, how do you feel coming back to Dubai?
Dubai is like home now. I love Dubai and I love the energy, I love the vibe, I love the passion people have here. I just love that there's so much to do here and the food. I'm a foodie, so I always end up mentioning food.
So at Global Village, you have entertainment, you have food, you have the rides. What would you go for in the beginning?
Well, I don't have cheap thrills, I don't want to die on a ride, that'd be very sad. But food is something that excites me. What's the other thing? And shopping.
And shopping, yes, absolutely. Now, if I had to ask you your favorite track from the film Abir Gulal, what would you name?
I love all the tracks because I think every track has meaning and it's a different genre on its own and it's got a different mood. But what I really love is Khudaya Ishq. My second best is Tie Tie because I think it's very cute.
It's peppy, right?
It's peppy, it's cute, it's super cute actually. Once the video comes out, I think people are going to relate to it. And all the partners and lovers and couples, they'll always it'll resonate with them.
Thank you for bringing love back. But before that, Anji,
You know, we promised them a surprise and you were the surprise for them. Now we've got a surprise for you as well.
Are you ready for the surprise, Gulal?
Bring it on.
All right then, ladies and gentlemen, let's bring on the surprise for Gulal. Make some noise!
Listen, what do you think the surprise is gonna be? Let's see. Let's see. Can we hear the name of the surprise?
They've already guessed?
Pata nahi.
Is that it?
We don't know. We don't know. We'll see. Are you guys ready to watch it? We'll start with a audio visual. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm very inquisitive.
All right, Gulal. In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Sir, sit down, please.
कुछ ना कहो कुछ भी ना कहो क्या कहना है और इस पल में कोई नहीं है बस एक मैं बस एक तुम हो
Abhi Singh. Please sing. Good, good.
Do you want me to? Hello, Dubai. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Not that. Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Abir and Gulal!
Come on. People from India, make some noise.
Fawata!
वानी, आपको हमारा सरप्राइज कैसा लगा?
बहुत ही बेहतरीन. That's something he uses a lot. बेहतरीन.
Behtareen.
Gulal is actually blushing. Full gulab is happening on
my
your
toes
cheeks
also
right now.
blushing.
Yeah, look at you. Make some noise for both of them, ladies and gentlemen.
You know, finally we have Abir and finally we have Gulal, both of them on the stage. Can I please ask you one question? You know, the mystery of Abir Gulal has become so big. मुश्किल से एक गाना आप लोग रिलीज करते हो, एक टीजर एक गाड़ी में रिलीज करते हो, हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं है फिल्म का स्टोरी क्या है, क्या चल रहा है कहानी. Can you please give us a brief of what the film is going to be?
पहले आप.
I feel this film is a celebration of love, made with nothing but love, and all we hope is the audience to return us the same warmth and heart.
Oh, that's
Absolutely,
brilliant.
and I think we were all yearning for a love story, a rom-com, and you guys are bringing it back again. Thank you so much. Abir Gulal, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Before we let you go, one more thing. What's the most amazing part or a thing about working with Barney Kapoor and vice versa? You first.
Well, I think the most amazing thing about working with Vani is that she's an extremely warm, an extremely talented person. और आप लोगों ने पहले भी इनका काम देखा होगा और बहुत enjoy किया होगा. But I had the privilege of working with her. She's an absolute lady and a very, very, very gifted performer. I've had an amazing time working with her and with the entire crew. And मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जब ये फिल्म आएगी और आप लोग देखेंगे, आप लोग भी उतना ही प्यार हमें देंगे जितने प्यार से हमने ये फिल्म बनाई. And thank you so much again, Dubai, for turning out and being a part of this. May you have a good time in the theaters. Thank you.
Can I say something? You know, फवाद की आवाज में इतना जादू है. देखो मैं बोलने लगता हूँ लोग चीखने लगते हैं,
जाने
आप
नहीं
बोलने
यार.
लगते हो सब चुप हो जाते हैं, सब सुनना चाहते हैं कि हाँ आवाज है यार. Make some noise for Fawad Khan, guys, come on.
Alright, what about you, Vani Kapoor? Something that was absolutely spectacular about working with Fawad Khan for all of us so that we get to know how it is.
I think there are too many things. I don't know where to begin. I was just telling him backstage that how my mother reviewed our first song when it came out, and she sees the song, she calls me excitedly and she's like, "Oh my God, Fawad Khan! He's so good looking!" And I'm like, "Yeah, he is very good looking." Then she's like, "He's such a wonderful performer, and the way he sings." I'm like, "Yeah, right?" I'm like, "Anything else?" She's like, "No, yeah, I enjoyed the song." I'm like, "Anything about me? You're my mother. You gotta be on my side." So, long story short, I feel he's gifted, he's lovely, and I'm not gonna talk about his looks because we all are on the same page when it comes to that. But harp on the fact that he's a great human being, a lovely co-actor, and one of the kindest people I've met, the warmest people. No ego, no baggage, just grounded and inspiring. So I'm just inspired by this man here.
Thank you. Vani. Thank you so much.
And in true Dubai style, please give them both all the love that you have here. Ladies and gentlemen, Abir and Gulal, come on!
And keep that going because we have a few winners who will get a chance to come and have their pictures with both Abir and Gulal. Can we please have our first winner?
Let's make some noise for our first winner who was chosen on City 1016, Sadia Khan, among our audience who's right here backstage. Make some noise for Sadia Khan, please, our very first winner who will be accompanied by her partner.
Can we also have Amit on the stage? Can we have Mr. Amit Trivedi on the stage as well, please? Come on, make some noise for Amit Trivedi. Come on, guys. And yes, if you stay tuned to City 1016, you might also get a chance to be on stage next time. But right now, it's all about Abir, it's all about Gulal. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise!
Congratulations, Sadia. Alright, so let's just quickly pose for a picture. Vani this side, yes. There you go, living their moment right now. Make some noise for them, come on. Exclusively chosen on City 1016, UAE ka #1 Bollywood music station. That's Sadia. Thank you so much. Can we please have our next winner, Samar Siddiqui, right up on stage to click a picture, create your moment. There you go. Congratulations, Samar. With the cutest baby. Oh my God. Alright. Pictures, let's do this. Congratulations. Talia bajni chahiye yaar. These guys have been chosen on air on City 1016 to be here and to get a chance to create that moment they've been yearning to create. Congratulations, thank you so much. Up next we have Adila Mushtaq. Backstage, again, one of our winners at City 1016. Please step up. Thank you very much. Make some noise for them, please.
कितने लोगों को पीछे मन हो रहा है स्टेज पे आने का? I know. यहाँ तक मेरे को खुशबू आ रही जलने की.
Congratulations. Can we please get a picture click?
Sorry, ma'am. Please बैठ जाइए. जल्दी बैठ जाइए.
All right, up next we have Joy Clinton, who's backstage. Make some noise for Joy Clinton. Congratulations. There. This is the moment, right?
Agarwal guys, make some noise. Vivek, finally you're here, center stage, Global Village. How are you feeling? Butterflies in the tummy. क्या scene है अभी आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
It feels amazing. We've been dreaming of this for a while now, and with all these people here, it's happened only thanks to them.
All right, so tell us more about the movie and what should people expect from the film?
I just want to say one thing, that this movie is about bringing love back. That's all. We wanted to make a love story, and that's what we've done.
A pure rom-com for all of us right here in the UAE. Let's do that. Now before that, what was the thought, right? We've done an array of films, different genres. Why love?
I think the most mind-altering drug in the world is love. So yeah, that's why.
Absolutely.
But Vivek, we also know that you have the other team members also with us.
Yes.
Can we please have on the stage?
Yes, I want to call a few people without whom this film would not have happened. So first, all my producers. There's Avantika Hari, who is also one of the producers, and my wife. Then I want to call the director of the film, Aarti Bagri. My other producers who stood by me rock solid, there's Rakesh Sippi, Sunil Rupani, and Raza Namazi, without whom this show would not have happened today.
All right, we know who the star again is.
I also want to call, I don't know if I should call him a budding star, but I love him to death. He's somebody who's acting for the first time. My son Dev. And the music team, which is the soul of this film. Amit Saudi here. I would like to call Kumarji, our lyrics writer, the songwriter, and Dimple and Akanksha, whom you already met. So Kumarji, that's it, yeah. So this is the team who's made it happen.
The magic team. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Abir Gulal for all of you.
You know what? We have just one more trick up our sleeves, but before we actually get into that, फवाद आपसे एक बार फिर से पूछना चाहते हैं, what is that one message जो आप देना चाहते हैं to your fans from every corner of the world sitting right over here? A message for Global Village, a message for Dubai, a message for the people of the UAE.
Well, as always, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दुबई एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे एक अलग ही पूरी दुनिया बसती है, a world within a world, people from different parts of the world, and they make not just a community but a family, and everything in this city I think is a celebration जिसमें सारे के सारे लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं, बहुत प्यार करने वाले लोग हैं, और दुबई जब भी आना होता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and you are a lovely people, and I wish that this ये सिलसिला चलता रहे आगे जिंदगी में. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much Dubai. Thank you.
फिर चुप हो गए ना सब लोग. देखो आप जब फवाद बोलते हैं तो सबका सुनने का मन तो करता है, राइट?
ऐसा भी हो सकता है हमको आवाज समझ नहीं आ रही.
क्या बात कर रहे हो आप यार? I mean, look at the love for Fawad Khan, Vani Kapoor, the entire team of Abir Gulal, which of course we need to mention the release of the film May 9th. Please give them all the love, Dubai!
All right, one final trick that we have. you know that exactly at 9 we have the fireworks happening in Global Village और हम चाहते हैं आबिर गुलाल की पूरी टीम के साथ हम लोग सब ये fireworks enjoy करें. Are you guys ready? Are we ready? Because we're going to give them a countdown. Okay? And we still have 30 seconds to go. Can I please
Can
request
all
you
of
guys
us, yeah, just
to
step
come over
forward.
here and we can face this side. can
And
face
we
this
also
side.
promised them that we're going to take a selfie with the entire set of audience at Global Village main stage. Are you ready? Let's create some magical moments right here tonight. All right, we have the phones up.
10, 9, 8,
7,